What's up, Resto Mods? It is Thursday, February 24th, and just want to give you guys a little update of what is going on in the garage. It's been a while since we updated the YouTube channel. We got a ton of projects going on, so I want to follow up on some of this stuff. Chris is jumping up on our shop truck right here. What do we got? Cylinder 4 is misfiring. We figured out it was a lifter, so we're going to take the heads off that thing and get in there today. This is the 1969 Chevelle that you guys may have seen. This is an ongoing project. We got something super sick under the hood. Joe, come open this hood. Here's Joe.
Hey, what's up, guys?
Can you open this hood for me? I'm trying to show them what's going on with the 69 Chevelle. Joe figured out the latch. Good job, Joe. This right here, if you guys don't know, is the blueprint LS style block with that big Magnuson blower on it. We're hoping we might be able to squeeze 4 figures of horsepower out of this thing. That's the goal. Wild. So we'll see, but we have yet to fire it up. We do have the dyno sheet from when it was at Blueprint. And then you can see some of the interior work. We obviously dynamatted this thing right here. Rick is here today, working on these door panels. Those are going in, or getting fitted today. I don't know if they're going in today. But the cage is in. We still gotta do carpet. And some more of our sweepstakes cars are out here. What do we got over here? We have a 67 Chevelle. Let me see if I can even open this and see what's under here. This is a project. It's basically just a rolling body right now, but we're gonna put this body on a chassis, and then we got something in the garage I'll show you guys after. Here's RM16, which is actually gonna get picked up on Monday. Ricky Fidler, the winner of RM16, is coming in to pick up this 1970 LS Camaro you guys have probably seen over the last few months. And that one will be Monday. We'll be going live with Ricky and doing a bunch of stuff with that. Here's RM17, this beautiful 1970 Dodge Charger with a big block V8 in it. You guys have seen this one all over the place. So it's just here chilling, waiting for one of you guys to win it. Again, to enter the sweepstakes cards, you can head over to RestoMods.com. There's a couple options on how to enter on there. You've got the membership is $12.95. You're gonna get 15 entries every month along with all the membership benefits. There's tons of stuff in there. This is our 1975 Dodge Ramcharger, and it is exactly the way that it was when we bought it. We still haven't got around to taking the body off of this thing yet. As you can see, there's just a lot of projects going on, a lot of stuff. I think we're at 17,000 YouTube subscribers, and we're gonna give this away to one of our YouTube subscribers just as soon as we get to 100,000 subscribers. So we've got a little bit of time to work on this, so it's kind of just sitting, but man, this thing is cool. We're going to pick up the hard top today and put it on here, but this thing's gonna be awesome. We're gonna get the body off of this, I think, in about 2 weeks. We gotta finish that 69 Chevelle. We're looking at making that RM18, and so we gotta get to work on that. But after that, we will be cranking on this 75 Ramcharger so that we can give it away as soon as we hit 100,000 subscribers, or we can just enjoy it on our way to 100,000 subscribers. So that's what's going on in there. This is a Sparza Suburban, which is super sick. Do you know what kind of chassis we have for that 67?
Roadster Shop Fast Track.
It's a Roadster Shop Fast Track chassis. So we're gonna take the body off that 67 and we're gonna put it on that Roadster Shop chassis. And then we're gonna put in this Hellcat, and guess what you have there, folks? A Chevelle Cat. So we're gonna be building that just as soon as we're done with this 69. So you can see the guys are cranking away on this thing. Rick's doing the interior. Junior and Chris are running some of the wiring into the trunk, make sure all the lighting's working. We still got some plumbing work to do in here and some different things, but that's a little update on what's going on at the RestoMods shop. And here's Regan. You made it, dude.
Yeah.
Dude, look, we got it all ready for you. Nice. Regan's gonna be doing the lifter job on our shop truck over here, this 2017 Denali. So we got it all ready for you, dude. It'll be fun, he said, not smiling. So that's an update of what's going on at the RestoMods Garage for a Thursday. Hope you guys are having a great day, and just want to get you updated on some of our builds. If you have any ideas of things that we should do, different projects we should take on, cars we should build, different ways we should style our hair, let me know. Make sure if you want to win that 75 Ramcharger that you are subscribed to our YouTube channel. That's all you got to do. You want to enter to win some of these other cars, head over to restomods.com. All the details are on there. See you guys later.